name is Maria Fernandez and I'm a creative community herbalist. And today I would like to share with you how to make goldenrod tincture. And goldenrod is known, the botanical name is actually Solidago. Solidago canadensis, Solidago genus. And Solidago means solido, which means to make whole or heal. And so this healing plant is a wonderful, wonderful herbal remedy. Look at this beautiful plant. It's part of the Asteraceae sunflower family. And she is yellow and she's blooming now in September. And she will be blooming in October and part of November. And I grab 1/3 of the aerial part. And what I do is I take the leaves from the stem, as you just see, and I cut with my scissors the leaf, and I put it in this little mason jar, and I'm gonna fill this up with a goldenrod in order to make a goldenrod tincture. And now I'm sure you have seen this plant growing everywhere, and some people think that they have the perception that she causes seasonal allergies, and actually I want to say to you that she helps you get rid of seasonal allergies. So she's a great ally to help you get rid of seasonal allergies. The culprit there is ragweed, not goldenrod. And so this beautiful herbal ally does not pollinate with the wind. It's pollinated by insects, and the honeybees love her. And so because she doesn't have pollen, that's why she can't give you allergies. She, like, that's how it works, right? So here we go. Look, remove the leaves. Oh, look at the sun is kind of hitting me on one side. And the shadow, I gotta work on my shadow. Are you working on your shadow? People don't want to work on their shadows. It's hard, I know. Shadow work is hard, and it must be done so we could all heal. Especially when we're healing our shadow, we help others heal their shadow, and then the world keeps, you know, evolving. Because then our children are healed and are not being traumatized by us adults. I know, right? So simple. It could all be so simple. So what I'm doing right now is cutting this. And the reason why I'm making this herbal tincture of goldenrod is because my father has kidney stones. And so I want to help him out. I want to provide him with this remedy so that when he has another episode of kidney stones, they're able, by taking this at least like 4 dropperfuls like daily, right? It will help him dissolve the kidney stone, so it's easier, because it hurts. And if you heard of stories about people with kidney stones, it's not fun. It's like it's worse than giving birth. I have not experienced it, and I don't want to experience this. And therefore, when I hear people's pain about kidney stones, you know, I want to be part of the solution, not part of the problem. And I want to be part of the help. So, therefore, this is a plant remedy that can help you with urinary tract infections, reduces inflammation, helps with joint pains, arthritis. She is great for eczema, gout, rheumatism. She also dissolves bladder stones. She strengthens the kidneys. And there's so many benefits to goldenrod. Probably so many remedies that, you know, I might not be mentioning on this video, because plants are not like specific. They're not just one thing, especially when you're working with fresh herb plant material. Is a very round medicine. And so when you're working with plants that are fresh and round, the medicine is sphere like, not arrow. Drugs are arrow like. They'll take your headache away, but there's side effects. And sometimes the side effects are not worth it. They're worse than the actual ailment. Therefore, you have to be very careful using pharmaceutical medicine. And in reality, our medicine, the people's medicine, is herbal remedies. That's what plants are here for. They're here to help us. And we have been using plants all along. But convenience is nice, and science, modern science and technology is beautiful. However, convenience can also be dangerous and risky, right? So things involve risk, and so you have to, measure your risk. Like, is it worth it to take some pill that could give you other side effects? And that's something that you have to decide for yourself. Nobody makes you do anything. When a doctor recommends something, they're just recommending. They're not holding you accountable to do that. They're not putting a gun in your head and say, take this pill. You're the one taking it, right? Like, you can't blame, oh, my doctor, like, made me do this. No. When you use a doctor, you use them as a team, as a person. You're hiring them to help you figure out your health. And so if you're suffering from anything like kidney stones, maybe you need to stop eating so much salt and drinking soda or eating so much chocolate. There are many foods that cause kidney stones, like cabbage and spinach. So you have to lay off some foods, and be very aware of what could be creating that dis-ease. Dis-ease is not at ease. So what's causing this ailment in your body, within your body? They're your greatest teachers. So, so now I'm gonna top this with a vodka. I have filled this all the way to the top with plant material, and now the part that's left is to fill it up all the way to the top with vodka and label it. It's pretty simple. I use 100 proof vodka for my tinctures, as I like the process of reverse osmosis. I like to extract the water constituents and the alcohol constituents out of the plant material. Therefore, I find that vodka is very soothing, and the plant already has some water, so it's actually a good like 75% ratio to 50% alcohol. And I feel really comfortable using vodka because vodka is really gentle, as opposed to like whole grain alcohol, which is really hard and strong. And when you make medicine with like grain alcohol, like 198 proof, it's more drug-like, and I want my medicine to be gentle. And yeah, I still want to get the medicine, but I want it to be very gentle and not like the medicine. I want it to be as natural as possible. I don't want pharmaceutical like medicine. And so I'm filling this up all the way to the top with a vodka, and I have some parchment paper. My jar, it's goldenrod tincture. Today's September 6, 2020, and I'm gonna put this for 6 weeks in a dark place in my cupboard, in my little herbalist cabinet closet, and then I could strain the material and start using the medicine as needed. Sometimes I leave the material a little longer, but after 6 weeks the medicine shall be ready and ready to be used. So I can't wait to start using this and sharing this. And thank you for watching my video. I hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and let me know any suggestions or any questions that you have regarding goldenrod tincture, the vinegar, or any other herbal allies. I love to be of service regarding herbalism and anything herbology, and together we could even learn more as you ask me questions, you challenge me. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed and blissful day. Thank you.